In this video, I'll show you how to open PayPal donation link. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your PayPal account. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, then select on the option that says sales. And over here, you will notice in the bottom, it'll provide you with the option that says donation. So all you want to do is press on that, and then it will take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, if you want to go ahead and create a donation link, go ahead and click over here where it says create a link or get a link. And then it is going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, you guys can go ahead and pick whether you want someone to donate to you one time, monthly, or yearly. The choice is really up to you. And from here, you can go ahead and put down the project name, the organization name, which is basically your PayPal name. And you guys will have an option to display your logo, and you guys will also have the option to add an image to your donation page. So it really is up to you. And from here, it's really important that you guys include an inspiring message. Okay, guys, so once you got everything ready, go ahead and press on continue. Then it is going to ask you what currency you would like to receive money. So for this, go ahead and select on the currency you want. And from here, you guys could adjust how much you want donors to actually pay. So this is completely up to you. You can make it so they only send like 3 amounts or an exact amount or any amount. I'm just going to be selecting on any amount. So once you're done with that, go ahead and press on continue. And then you guys have the option to actually get your donor's mailing address. So if you want to turn that on, that is something you could do. And over here, we'll provide you a way for donors to actually communicate with you and give you a message. So that is completely up to you. You can also track donors back to your website, or you guys could even include more HTML button variables. So the choice is really up to you. But once you have that done, go ahead and press on publish. And then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You guys could either share it with a link or a QR code. The choice is really up to you. So let's go ahead and get the link right over here. So if we go ahead and open it up in another tab, it should take us to a page that looks something like this. Yep, where we can actually go ahead and donate. Or alternatively, there is also a QR code. You can also download it as well. So there's honestly many options, and I'm happy that PayPal makes it relatively easy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.